Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video we will try to understand about the DIV division command. How we can use the division command in LSPLC. Let's get started. First of all we will open our XE5000 software and here we will be choose one close contact of the for an example MX100 and next we will be take the command, click it on the F10 and after you will be get the command and type in the search bar DIV. When you type the DIV you will be get the DIV command. Have also downside DIV dint, DIV int, DIV lint means this is the double word integer, this is the integer, this is the long integer, this is the long real, this is the real, this is the int. Which one you like to be choose, you can choose. Click it OK. What is the meaning of this command division? It will be took the values which you will write on the in 1 and in 2. After you will be takes the immediately result in the out. An example here we will be type for an example MD 100 and we like to be divide by the MD 20. So answer we needs into the MD 40. So we will download this program into the PLC. This command division command look like working as a calculator. Which values coming, it will be immediately fast calculates and makes the answer into the next data register. We will monitor the program and an example here we will be type 45 for example, and this 45 we like to be divided by the 5. Here we will be type the 5 and after you will see that's the 9 answer. And for an example here you type the 65 or any value coming any from the field or whatever counting or whatever you like to be make it divide continuously immediately, and after you can see the 65 with the 5 is 13. And if you like to for an example 85 value or how much which is this is look like any counter if coming the counting some production from the production and you like to be divide with the 5, 10, 6 which value you will be write it here, that will be makes the divide continuously and gives you answer into the MD40. And that's MD40 after you can use compare command, greater than, less than, whatever any which is depends on your logic. But is the basic function of this command is the look like calculator. Any value will be comes from the field. For an example 245 if we like to be make the division and you can see this is the 49 answer will be ready. And also next other videos will be go too long. If you like to be use any other an example, this is the division d int, this is the division int. If you floating values for an example you can use this division real. I will make one for you, no problem. This is we will be make division long real div type and you can choose the division long real and click enter. And here if you like to be put one MX100 same you can put nothing issue and download this program, right, click OK. Oh sorry, this will not put the data. For an example here we will put D100 and here we will be put D200 and here we will be write the D300 and click it online again, right, because of in the long real values if you like to be calculate by division, so you have to be type the D registers. Here you have to be choose the MD and here you have to be choose the D registers. And now we will go to the monitor. What's the problem? First you have to be connect. This is now disconnect our PLC. To make it here, change to run mode, and again you can make the monitor. And here you can see this look like before we used 65. If you like to be divide, here you can type the 5 for example, or any value you type, you can see the answer 13. And here same also will be get, but here is the what's Johnny with the real value, which if after the dot also you need the in any after decimal you can got the one example 245 will be type, and here we need the answer in the 23 for example, or 23.7 also if you type, you can see this is the after dot value also will be shown 10.65211 this answer. If you like to verify, you can go to the calculator, and here we can type this one 245 divide by 23. What's the answer? You can see 10.65217 65217 because of look like any calculator. So hope guys you will be understand about this division command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.